welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing one of the most requested videos yet, which is my everyday scarf tutorial. And to get us started, I brought in my sister Sarah with me, and she is going to be my model today so I can demonstrate the scarf for you guys, since everyone has always said we look so similar. Let me know if you guys think we do look similar. I don't know. She doesn't think we look similar, but I mean, clearly we do look a bit similar now with the scarves. So it'll be an awesome way to show you guys what I do for my everyday look. And it was kind of hard for me to break this down to steps just because it's such an easy, simple look, but I did it anyway, and so continue watching and see how we get this look.
First off, you're going to want to take an underpiece, which is similar to a giant headband, and I'm sticking it on top of my sister's head. Clearly it didn't fit, so we're gonna give this one another try. Okay, it looks like it's going to work now that she's helping, and I'm just going to take the underpiece and lift it upwards so it covers her hair and tucks that big bun in. And then I'm just gonna take my hand and fix the little side hairs coming out, make sure her face looks clean and perfect. And now I'm taking this giant scarf, which is folded in half, and I'm taking the part that is folded in half where the crease is lined up and matching it to her face. So the key here is to hide the underpiece. And you're going to do that by making sure the underpiece is a bit more back and pushing the scarf a bit more front on the forehead side. And then you're going to drape it in a very loose manner. That way it looks effortless, yet it's still covering all those essential parts. After I do this drape, I'm just going to tuck in a little bit of the edges you see on the side and make sure the top looks even. That way she has this like perfect put together look. As you can see, that was all that was required of this tutorial. So I'm finished here, and that is how you get my everyday scarf tutorial. And don't feel discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Just let me know in the comments how it turns out for you, and I look forward to sharing more videos soon.